He looked at me and he said, Raman, pourquoi t'es noir? He said, why are you
I
black?
believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way.
Alright, yes guys, it's your boy Raman here again with another video, and today we are talking about some profound things that students here in France have said to me. Let's go. So here I'm currently working with different levels of students. I previously said to myself, I cannot work with children. However, I proved myself wrong and I simply love working with children. They're amazing. So anyway, let's get to the story. So here I had a new group, and these students were from the tout petit section, so they are around 2 or 3 years old. And it was my first time with this group. I went to the classroom and then no one wanted to talk to me. And it's natural, I'm a stranger, they don't know me. So I did something I've never done before. I grabbed a toy and I was like, Sama! Oh my god, it's crazy. So I was talking through the animal and it sort of helped. In fact, it did help. The student started warming up to me and then I approached this boy, and because he was looking at me and I'm like, he seems quite friendly. So I sat beside him and then he said something which simply touched me. He looked at me and he said, I like your skin. No, this is 2 or 3 years old. I swear to you, tout petit section. I couldn't believe it. I didn't say anything, and then he did this. He touched my hand, he rubbed his finger on my hand and he's like, I like your skin. Then he grabbed my hair, he's like, I like your hair. C'est beau. And I'm like, oh my god. I literally wanted to cry. And I was just getting emotional because I'm like, wow, this is a child. And it goes to show that racism, hatred is something that is taught. This child here is pure, is uncontaminated by society, and I'm like, and I said to myself, wow, that is amazing. Another example was this child was now from the petite section. So this was the next level, which should be definitely 3, if not 4. So he looked at me and he said, Raman, pourquoi t'es noir? He said, why are you black? And I looked at myself and I looked at him and I brought his hand close to my nose and I said, why are you white? And he laughed and then he said, t'es mignon, t'es beau. And I'm like, oh my god, these kids, they only know positive things. And I was simply moved, and that made my day. Another funny thing which happened was that when I went to another school, and these were with CP, if not CE1. So if my memory serves correct, they're about 7, I think. I don't remember. And so this is a different campus. I went into the class, and there was just one black girl there, and the students were like, it's your dad. Their teacher was a little bit, but I wasn't offended. I said, no, I'm not your dad. You know, children are curious, so when they're curious, you don't shut it down, you address the curiosity. And that is simply amazing, it's just simply wonderful. And finally, even though this video is supposed to be about cute things, surprising things that friends didn't say to me, I will have to add that it's amazing seeing how these children are, how much they look up to you. For example, this girl, she fell and she hurt her knee. And she came to me crying, she's like, Raman, j'ai fait mal, j'ai boob or something like that. And in my head, I'm like, what do I do? And so outwardly, I didn't show that. I just simply touched her. I just simply tapped her knee, hugged her and said, Sava. And I'm like, is it okay? No, she's like, yeah. And she went to play. So that trust that they put in adults is simply amazing. And how the students look forward to seeing me, they will tell me hello 1,000 times. They hug me so much, and I simply love it. The students are amazing. Another boy, he said to me, sir, it's my birthday tomorrow. And I'm like, okay, it's your birthday? Alright, that's what I said to my head. But in reality, I said, wow, happy birthday. And based on looking in his eyes, I knew that I don't know, there was something more. So I said, okay, then I'll sing for you in the class. And his eyes just lit up. They lit up. I sang for him in the class, and then I wrote my little note saying, happy birthday, I hope you enjoy your day and have and fulfill your dreams, you know? And I've seen other students, they cling to me so much, and it's amazing. Oh my God, should this be the cute things people say? And here I'm talking about my job. But yeah, I simply, I don't know. I think I stopped there because I'm getting quite emotional. Anyways, guys, that's it for my video for today. If you enjoyed this, and if you're a teacher or you'd like to be a teacher, let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.
Show them all the beauty they possess inside.